Welcome to another installment of the E-Academy, dedicated to the Versa Plus control panel. In today's installment, we will show you how to start up a wireless system. That is, to connect, start, and log in wireless devices to the control panel. What are the requirements? A computer running the Windows operating system, a mini USB cable, the latest version of the DLoadX program, which you can download free of charge from our website, the Versa Plus panel with enclosure and transformer, an ACU 120 or 270 controller, and the wireless devices, in this case the Versa LCD-M WRL keypad, the APD 100 detector, and the ASP 205 Siren. An essential component of the wireless system based on the Versa Plus control panel is the ACU 120 or ACU 270 wireless controller. In the set we present today, the ACU 270 will be used. The controller has two communication buses, the keypad bus designated as the CKM DTM and the expander bus designated as the CKE DTE. For the Versa family panels, only one of them will be used, namely the expander bus. Additionally, you must move the 8th dip switch to the on position to set the Versa operation mode. By doing so, you will also enable support for wireless keypads without having to set their address. Then, place the thus prepared controller into the quick mount holder we presented in the previous installment. And then install the quick mount holder into the enclosure. Next, connect the controller to the dedicated connector to the panel mainboard by using the plug-in terminal blocks. Considering that the system will only include a wireless keypad, the control panel will be started in service mode. As shown in the previous installment, this is achieved by placing a jumper over the JP1 pins. Connect the battery and turn on the mains power supply. The panel starts, as can be seen by the flashing LEDs of the dialer and the ETH module. After about 2 seconds, remove the jumper. This has activated both the control panel service mode and the USB communication. Now you can connect the control panel to the computer. Run the DLoadX program. Connect the control panel with the computer using the mini USB cable. When the panel reports, accept the USB connection and read data from the control panel. You can see the data reading status on the progress bar. The next step is to identify the devices. To do this, go to the Structure tab and then to the Hardware tab. Click on the Expansion Modules item, and then on the Identification button. After a few seconds, information on the successful identification appears. Confirm it to start the data reading. After the identification is complete, your ACU controller will show up in the program window. The controller is already connected, so you can proceed to log in the wireless devices. To begin with, log in the Versa LCD-M WRL wireless keypad. In the hardware window, go to the LCD WRL tab and select New Device. In this window, you need to enter the serial number of the keypad. You can find it on a sticker placed on the keyboard PCB laminate. Enter the number in the program and insert the 2 supplied batteries into the keypad. Wait for the Device Data Loaded message. The keypad has been added. To confirm this information, click OK and then save. The keypad is now visible in the Hardware/Expansion Modules window. The next step will be to add and log in the wireless detector to the system. In the Hardware window, go to the Zones/Outputs tab. Proceed in the same way as with the keypad. Select New Device, then copy the serial number of the detector from the sticker on the laminate and select the zone number. Insert the battery supplied with the set into the detector. Wait for the message. Click OK to save the setting. The last step is adding and logging in the ASP250 wireless siren. To add the siren, proceed in the same way as with the detector. In the Zones/Outputs tab, click Add New Device. Enter the serial number and select the number of output. It is important to remember that the Versa Plus supports up to 12 outputs, and the siren takes up 2 zones and 2 outputs. Insert the battery into the siren and wait for the Device Data Loaded message. Click OK to save the setting. In this way, you have created a simple wireless system consisting of the Versa Plus control panel and the wireless devices connected to it, including the keypad, detector and siren. This system is now ready for programming the functions of its zones and outputs according to the expected functionality. In the following installments, we will show you how to configure the ETH module integrated into the Versa Plus mainboard, and we will discuss the email messaging functionality offered by the module. For more detailed information on the subject we discussed today, follow the link under the video. And that's all for this installment. Thank you for your attention. We invite you to watch the next installment of the E Academy. See you soon.